what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Cyber channel. Welcome back to a new series. Actually, we're playing Cat Goes Fishing. This is a series I've actually seen a whole bunch of YouTubers play in the past. That's like a nostalgic gun. I wanted to kind of go back in time and look at some nostalgia and try to play it myself. So we're gonna do a series on this. We're gonna try to 100% the game. Obviously, I don't really remember. I knew there was a new update recently. I don't quite remember how to get all the fishes or what I need to do, but let's just see what happens. So we're gonna go classic, not realism. Maybe as a extra series later, I might go for realism, but let's just go for classic for now. Let's see what happens. Oh, sell $50. New quest. Catch one mustard fish. Okay. I remember mustard fish are these things down this thing right here. There you go. Got the mustard fish. Let's upgrade our rod so we can get the good rod now. New quest. Purchase a rod attachment. Okay. So we want to upgrade our rod, which would we don't have enough, do we? No, we don't. So let's but it'd be better if he never mind. There you go. There should be a mustard fish. I think that should be enough now. Oops. We can buy the upgrade now, which is the diving lure. Catalog upgrade. Okay, so we should try to get new fish. Catch 3 cuddler fish. So these things. Well, let's see. So I didn't get one of these yet, fully caught. So let's try to catch a super. At least get it in the catalog now. That's another cuddler fish. There you go. That's 3. That should get me new rod upgrade. What is it? Scout. The line will not automatically reel in after a failed cast. You can still catch hats or discover new fish. Ooh, okay. New quest. Catch 1 grumper. Are grumpers nearby? I don't really remember, honestly. All those things. Oh, okay. It's still interesting. You got this. I think the best I can do would be to honestly try and lure it over. Interesting. There's a mustard fish. It should give us some good money. Am I, unless I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, that is a grumper, okay. Let's see. Trying to lure it in. That's what I can do right now is probably just level up catching fish, get more money. Maybe if because nothing too crazy right now which we can get, so let's try to get some smaller bait. Ooh, new fish. I don't think we've had this one yet, so let's see. Round fin. Okay, catching them 7%. Let's try to get some more. Oh. Hey, come on. Is this a new one? No. That's just another cuddler fish. There's no fish nearby. That's such a bad throw. It looks like the oh, that's the grubber. Let's go. 800. Okay, we got 2 rockets and bombs. Interesting. Let's see. Oh, I just wasted that. Oops. Catch 4 swoopers. Swoopers, I think, are the purple ones, right? There's a kingfish though, which should be some good money. 350. Swoopers are the pink ones. Purple. So, there you go. That's 1. You catch 4 of these. There's 1 swooper. So they're coming up though, which is really good. Let's go. Okay, that's 2 now. One of the things that I remember was really scary in this game was at nighttime you'd get the Noctis, and that I remember was terrifying when I was a lot younger. I want to try to get my fishing rod more out there. Yep, there's my 3rd one. Honestly, I might need a rocket for this last one. Interesting. Oh, I got a skeleton fish. Gosh darn. Because it's gonna be really difficult just to get anywhere if you just. Okay, there's a mustard fish. Let's hope I get something bigger. Let's go with a bomb and a rocket and see what happens. Try to get some big fish. Maybe a big fish would be what help us. Oh, and we got a grouper. Not a grouper, a grumper. I don't think that's going to. I mean, it looks like they're coming in closer again, which is a lot better now. So let's see. Grumper. Need bigger bait. Gosh darn it, mustard fish. Let me just try to get the swooper. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yes. I'm gonna hook the mustard fish now if he comes for me. There you go. Try to get something big. This either could like go really bad or like really good. So let's hope we get something really good here. Nothing. Are you serious? I forgot because we don't have that rod upgrade. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but there's a rod upgrade which makes so you can the small fish can't eat your big fish, your bait. Oh. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's right there. The last swooper I need is right there. Come on. Come on. Where is he at? Oh, there it is. Let's go. Okay, last one. Completed the super quest. Radar. Okay, 5 to minimap. Let's do a new quest. Round fins. Okay, I think I can get those pretty quickly. I think there's right there, and there's some at the bottom. So many small fish. Yes, okay, there's some down there. I remember there was some down lower, so even if we don't get things, we can just go really close. Come on. Round fins, come up. Let's go. Okay, that's 1. Come on. Come on. Come on. Round fins, you're right there. Alright. Okay, we got the quest done. Alright guys, I think I have to cut the recording quick, but I'll be back in 1 second. Alright guys, I am back. We just finished the round fin quest now, and let's see what's next with cowfish. I think it's those really... Let's see actually. Let's see the catalog just in case. It's large fish. Yep, it's the giant cow. Okay, that's what I thought. I kind of remembered a little bit from when I used to watch other YouTubers and things play this when I was younger. But let's play this again. Let's try to catch this. I think the best way to do this is just to let it go down. I know mustard fish love to like play lower down. Let's try this. No. There's mustard fish. There's a cowfish, I mean. Maybe I need... diving lure. Maybe an extra diving lure might help. Okay, there you go. Got that one. Now I gotta get lower to get to the cowfish. Come on, you're right there. I think I just need the explosion here. Oh no. Come on. Gosh darn it. I mean, I could buy a rocket, but I just won't throw it well. And I ended up throwing it, like, absolutely perfectly. Of course. No, I don't... Gosh darn it. I want the... I don't know, I don't remember what it's called, but I remember... I want the... Yes, there it is. Cowfish, perfectly. Okay. New fish added to the catalog. Let's do the new quest. Mustard fish. All right, that should be easy. 3 mustard fish, not too bad. Rising lure. Reel casting your lure to rise. This stacks up. Okay, let's do it. Not really sure it's gonna help, but we'll see. So let's just try to find some mustard fish. It's so calming, relaxing, honestly. Come on. Gosh darn it. I mean, it's fine, I think, but still. Oh, there's a mustard fish right there. Okay, that's perfect. That's one at least out of the way. That's pretty much a... Oh, 2! It literally just gave me freebies. Alright. A 3. There's 1. See what happens. Damn. Wanted something a little bit better, but I ended up just losing the mustard fish. No. That's just luck. Oh no. No. The Cowfish could easily steal. This is such a difficult fish to get. Queenfish, 2,500. Oh. Let's see what happens. Oh. Gosh darn it. Of course. There's a muster fish. We can buy a boat, 35 grand. Okay. New quest. Unlock the new rod. The power rod, alright. Rising lure. Okay, let's just do this. Rod attachment. Let's go diving lure. Catch a surfine. I think I've heard of those things. Or at least I remember them kind of. They're the yellow one, right? Darn. Now I have a better rod, I can toss a lot farther, which is really good. Oh. Okay, interesting. This one looks like it's like rarer than the other ones, but it's not. I gotta find a medium fish. I'm struggling to get to a medium fish. Might as well large fish. Ooh, queen. These are 2,500 though. I don't really want to waste them. Nah, I really can't. There's just. There you go. Alright, let's do one last cast and maybe try to see where we can get with this. I see the Seraphis. I see those other fish. Oh my gosh, the shark. New hook unlocked. Wait. Oh my gosh. I know that, but I wanted to. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think I'm going to end the episode off here, guys. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, be greatly appreciated. And if you guys want to see me play different, maybe other nostalgic games back in the future, please let me know by putting them down in the comment section below. But until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.